howdy folks. Charlie with Typewriter Justice here, and this is one of my holy grails of the typewriter world. This is a 1938 Corona Sterling in maroon, burgundy, whichever you want to call it. This is a 2A series, specifically 2A 55-110. So it's pretty low serial number for these. In this particular machine, I've put a decent amount of work into. Gave it a good chemical cleaning inside. Done a moderate amount of work on the body. Still got some scuffing and scratching up here that I haven't really been able to get rid of, but I also haven't tried too incredibly hard. Mostly because it doesn't bug me. Can't really see it unless you're looking for it. Decals are in good shape on this thing. The only one that's washed out is on the back. Most of the time you get these, the gold is gone from them. Seems like people, whenever they want to clean these things, they always start on the most visible one, which don't do that. Just don't. So whoever decided to do this one, at least start it on the back. I don't ever touch the decals anymore. Got a little bit of the Sterling decal is rubbed off on the edges there. That's typical paper wear. That's just because the machine's been used. And man, this one has been used, because 1938, dude. That's a long darn time. This is one of my favorite editions of the Sterling and Silent family. I just like the lines more than anything. They're so sleek, so pretty, and they type incredibly well. Anybody who knows me knows that I am a freak and a half for Ericas and torpedoes, and these things kind of combine the best of both worlds in that respect, because you get a little bit of the levering action as far as keeping your keytops level to the table, similar to the Erica on these, and you have the exact same key layout as on a torpedo. Or do you? Well, not on most of your Smith Coronas, but on this one, you totally do. Because the difference is left-handed tab, right-handed backspace. That makes this one a bit of an oddity as far as most Coronas and Smith Coronas go. And I looked long and hard to find it, specifically for that reason. Because that puts it exactly the same as the torpedo, which, if you're like me, and your fingers do what your fingers do without you having to tell them what to do, as soon as things are in different places, then it gets complicated. Then you have to look, and I don't like to have to look. Which, on that note, you'll notice again, question mark above the slash. So, modern key layout, and that's huge to me. You got paper fingers on here, which are really, really nice. You've also got a paper bail, which again is really, really nice. Paper release, carriage centering device to center, and then lock, right? Index release. Oh wait, no, that's my indexing. Yeah. Single. Double spacing. Where's my index release on this? Is there not a detent? I know there's that. Or a differential. I could have sworn these had a release. I guess they don't. Because I sure as heck don't see one. Maybe that came on the 3. Learn something new every day. Paper release. I like how the paper release on these bumps the paper bail up just a little bit. Kind of snazzy. Color selector, manual ribbon reverse. Very handy. These do require eyelets on the ribbon because you got a little sensor right there So when you get to the end of the ribbon, it'll automatically reverse it. And if it doesn't automatically do it, that guy. Here's your touch control. I normally keep it on about 3 for these models. Let's give it a little type test. See if we can hear it sing, because these do sing. You know, as you're typing, all these little type bars down in there, all these guys, they'll vibrate, and you can hear it. It's kind of a little, and you can feel it in the key tops. It's the only machine I've ever found that they'll do that, but these do. 1938 Corona Sterling, serial number 2A55110, in stunning burgundy, maroon. And this one does have a fresh JJ Short platen. Good feed rollers. I don't remember if I put new feed rollers on this one or not. I think I might have. No, those are original feed rollers. They're still nice and supple and grippy though. Ooh. And we have all the tab stops, which is nice. The feet are in good shape. They're still real squishy too. Ring, 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 ring. Yeah. Nice and squishy and grippy. But, where was I? Type sample, yeah. 2A55110 on our black setting. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Can you hear the hum? Yeah. Very crisp print. This particular machine is in pica, 10 characters to the inch, on the red setting with the shift lock. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their and my paper finger country. Oh, I hit my T a little better there. Pretty darn sweet. Let's do a little alignment test. We go lowercase h, shifted h, lowercase h, shift block h, lowercase h. That's just about perfect. There you go. One of my all-time favorite, sexiest, most loved, sought after, hunted for, lusted over machines in the history of typewriterdom. The 2A Corona Sterling in burgundy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Later.